In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your saved Coda files. Whether you're new to Coda or just need a little help navigating through your files, this guide will help you effortlessly locate your documents. Let's jump right in and get started. First, head over to Coda, which is your all-in-one collaborative workspace designed to help you organize and collaborate seamlessly. Open your preferred web browser and enter coda.io in the address bar to get to the Coda homepage. Once you're on the Coda homepage, look for the Get Started button. Clicking this will initiate the process of accessing your workspace. This is especially helpful if you're a first-time user or you've recently signed out. After clicking Get Started, you'll be prompted to log in. Here, you'll be presented with multiple sign-in options. Select Google to use your Google account for a faster, more streamlined process. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one associated with your Coda workspace. Click on the Google option, and if this is your first time signing in, you might need to grant the necessary permissions for Coda to access your account. Don't worry, this is completely secure and enables Coda to retrieve your documents associated with this account. Now you'll be redirected to a page where you can select your Google account. This is where you'll see a list of your accounts if you have more than one. Simply click on the account you wish to use, keeping in mind that this account needs to be the same one under which your Coda files were created and stored. Once you're signed in, find your way to your workspace. You can access this by looking at the left side panel on your Coda dashboard. Here you'll see various options related to your documents and projects. Click on your workspace, which will provide you direct access to a list of all the files you have saved under this particular workspace. Now that you're in your workspace, you can also explore files that are under the My Docs section. This is another handy way of checking your documents if you're managing several projects or want to quickly access your personal folders. Navigating through My Docs gives you a structured view of everything you've been working on, and it's a simpler way to refine your search if you have numerous files. And there you have it. You've successfully located your saved Coda files. Whether you're working on a team project or simply organizing your own tasks, having direct access to your files is crucial. By following these steps, you ensure you can quickly find and manage your documents whenever required. Happy organizing!